This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a salsa song using an easy method. We'll start by exploring the fundamental rhythmic elements that give salsa its infectious energy. Then, we'll identify the key instruments that form the core of a salsa band, understanding their roles. Finally, we'll outline a simple song structure to help you organize your musical ideas effectively. The heart of any salsa song is its rhythm. Begin by establishing a strong clave pattern, choosing between a 2-3 or 3-2 orientation. Next, layer in the vibrant sounds of congas and bongos, adding intricate percussive textures. Don't forget the bass, which provides a solid foundation with its characteristic tumbao pattern, driving the groove forward. Once your rhythm section is solid, it's time to introduce melodies and harmonies. Start with typical salsa chord progressions, often featuring dominant seventh chords, to create that authentic feel. Then, focus on developing a catchy melodic hook that will stick in listeners' minds. Finally, arrange your horn sections, like trumpets and trombones, to add powerful, exciting counter melodies and accents. To complete your salsa song, consider its overall structure and arrangement. A typical salsa song often includes an introduction, verses, a chorus, and an instrumental mambo section for improvisation. Think about how to build tension and release throughout the piece, using dynamic changes and instrumental breaks. This thoughtful arrangement will keep your audience engaged from start to finish, making your song truly shine.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.